Hey, what's up, everybody? It's your girl, Tonya, Lady T. And yes, y'all on the flavor train. And we're doing Subway today. Y'all, I popped on just to let y'all know, thank you so much for your prayers. We are still dealing with Hurricane Florence. Thank God my mom has power, my brother has power, but I'm still with no power. So I've been still hanging out back and forth over here at my mom's house. Thank God, because I'm telling you, it's going on probably a week before I get power where I live, because I live in a rural area. So they're, of course, putting lights on for essentials. But anyway, I still tell the Lord thank you. It's been a rough go, but again, I'm still blessed. I got my life. I got my family. So anyway, we're doing Subway. Let me pray right quick. Thank you, most gracious and heavenly Father, for the food I'm about to receive for the nourishment of my body, for Christ's sake. Amen. So anyway, y'all, I'm working remote here, and I'm on my lunch break. Today I got the roasted, is it rotisserie? Yeah, the rotisserie chicken. It's the new one that new one that they got out. Yes, y'all. And so while I'm eating, we'll chit chat a little bit. But I did want to just come on right quick and tell y'all thank you for your prayers, for asking about you. Thank you, D Loves Life. What's up, Bethany? Love you. Thank you for shouting me out. Prissy P, love you. Thank you. Fit Angie, living my best life. Shannon. I know I'm going to forget somebody, so please charge it to my head and not my heart. We got Miss Vicky's jalapeno chips on deck today. And, of course, I got my bun back. But, y'all, it's no glamour here today. And, of course, I got me some John Brown root beer. But anyway, it's been a time. It's been a time. I'm going to get these out the barrel. It's been a time, y'all. A lot of debris, a lot of cleanup. And today, it's going to be about the runoff. The noose will crest today, and then we have to deal with 2 or 3 days of runoff. And wherever that goes, we just got to be prepared. That's when your flooding and all that comes into play. That's good. When you get this rotisserie chicken, make sure you ask them to squeeze off the liquid, because it's very watery. And y'all know I ain't stood my bread being soggy. Oh, that's good to me. Root beer, Hercules. But anyway, I got home. Of course, if y'all want to know what I'm doing, follow me on my main channel. Got home, lost everything in my refrigerator and freezer. That's to be expected, because my power has been out over there since Friday. And it's Monday afternoon. Everything thawed. And I had some popsicles in my freezer. Of course, all of them melted, and that was a cleanup mess. Anyway, got all that done. Mr. Super Fox came over there and helped me tote all the trash away. So, I called my insurance company. They said, yeah, just send us the pictures. And I also did a little small video. Sent that on to them, and they're going to take care of me. Matter of fact, honey, I love technology. She said, you know what, Miss Howell, so you don't have to come in the office and wait in line. She said, if you've taken pictures in the video, she said, just email it to us. And she said, we'll cut you a check and you ain't even got to come to the office. Technology. And I thought I had a deductible, but I don't. I don't even have a deductible on my policy. I forgot when I said I didn't want no deductible. It went across the board, but hey. For all you renters, if you can afford it, my renter insurance is not but $21 a month. And that's for $45,000 coverage. And that's for contents within your house. Anyway, you know, I asked the questions, you know, a claim is a claim. Most of the time, insurance companies, they may or may not increase your premium, and it may be a couple of dollars, but they look at it every year. Almost like these plans, they have accident forgiveness, you know, they won't penalize you if you cause an accident, you know, accident forgiveness. So they were like, yeah, you can go on and file it, but we can't say it won't go up, but we can't say it will either. So anyway, did that. So what money I get, of course, I need to go out and replenish because I mean, I don't have anything. So I need to replenish, you know, everything that I lost. But anyway, the community has really band together. It's been a lot of tree debris. A couple of houses, unfortunately, got busted wide open with trees where they fell over and crushed their houses. And so some people, unfortunately, came back to their homes and they were destroyed. It's something. But I can't even complain. I mean, it's not like I don't have somewhere to go. But I've been through this. I've been without lights for 3 weeks when Floyd came through. But anyway, like I said, we're doing good. Rex and his mother are doing good. Tony and Lisa are doing good. We're doing good over here. My sister Chansey finally got home last night. So we're just blessed. I'm telling them. I'm going to help and donate where I can in all relief efforts. Because sometimes you can't physically do stuff, but you can monetarily give, pray, assist. You know, you do what you have to do in the community when stuff like this devastation. Ain't nobody got time for foolishness and all. Folks need help. And you just get in where you can fit in. But anyway, they've got certain roads blocked off. Because, you know, when you're traveling, you normally travel your normal route when you're going places. You don't necessarily go down other streets because you figure this is your normal way you travel. Well, because certain streets still have trees knocked down, live power lines down, stuff like that, they've blocked off certain roads that you normally, you know, would travel. So it causes you to have to detour down other streets and residents. Well, a while ago, on my way back from getting this sub, y'all know me, I observe everything. I like y'all not. There was this weird looking, I was gonna say bird. There was this weird looking dog. Y'all. My mom's still going to the grocery store. She ain't got back yet. Y'all, this dog looked like somebody had been riding his back like a horse. Honey, I ain't never seen no dog with no hump in his back like that. It was not a hump, but a dip. If he stand in the rain and don't move, that his back would fill up with water. What kind of dog is that? It wasn't a Great Dane. Honestly, it looked like a pit bull with his legs had been chopped short. And he belonged to somebody because he had a collar on. But he was just walking around back and forth. And of course, I slowed all the way down because I said, Lord, I don't need no owner to jump out. You know, because they're walking their dog. Because like I said, he had a collar on, but it wasn't on a leash. See, I ain't ready to see stuff like that, y'all. But see, when storms happen, all kinds of weird stuff get unearthed. Because they're being choked out by the water. And honestly, y'all think I'm trying to be funny and comical, but honey, y'all don't even understand, honey. Again, I'm thankful, and I'm sure that's the least of folks' worries. But we just talking, we just talking. Weird stuff be flying around when storms come through like this. Because everybody's habitat, including humans and animals, all of our habitats is being disturbed. And the dog, it was like a beige and white looking dog. Because at first I said, oh, that's a weird looking pit bull. But pit bulls don't have short legs. This dog looked like a pit bull, and it looked like their leg. I'm looking out the window, y'all. If y'all say, see, what she keep looking at? I'm looking out the window. The back of my mama's house. They out there doing stuff. But I've never seen a pit bull And their legs were short as the Dotson. It looked weird and flicked to me. But like I said, it had a hump in his back. Not a hump, but a dip. Like a dip. I don't know if that's a type of dog or it just got like that over time. But I said, oh my God, that dog needs some help. My mind is just going 100 miles an hour. My son is doing well. I haven't talked to him. My granddaughter, which is her dad, she's talked to him. But they're doing okay. What's up with that with children sometimes? They don't even call their parents. What's up with that? Ooh, I'm praying about that, honey. I mean, I know they busy. I just can't imagine not calling my mama. Anyway. Then my oldest nephew, well, he's not my oldest, but my sister's oldest son, he was in California and he back. He said that they went to Roscoe's Chicken and Waffle. You won't get full. But y'all, I'm hoping the power come back on soon, but until then, just have to watch and pray. There's a lot going on. I'm telling y'all, there's a lot going on. Big shout out and thanks to all the utility workers and debris removal services. I'm telling y'all, awesome. They've come from all over to restore this community. My churches are feeding all these workers that are coming in from out of town because they're working around the clock, restoring power and all that stuff. Excuse me. Ooh, that's a good root beer. And honey, I thought I was cute with my little dress on, honey. I like to have a Marilyn Monroe moment, honey, with the wind. You can't wear, I forget, you can't wear these loose, fairly cotton dresses, honey. When it's windy, honey, I like to have a moment, honey. But y'all, again, thank you for your prayers. Thank you for your concern. I just got a lot on my mind because there's people at work that have not been able to jump back on, and I'm thinking about them. Some people still don't have power, and they on their last can of soup, y'all. But see, that's the thing with me. I can't even buy anything until my power comes back on. So I don't need me trying to. And that should be right along time I get a check from my insurance company so I can replenish. I mean, I had to throw away a lot of stuff. And you really don't think about it until you start adding stuff up. Like certain condiments. You figure mayonnaise run about $3.50. Then you think about all the other condiments that you buy. Like I buy the natural minced garlic. That's about $4 for that little container. Organic, you know. Of course, organic is how. And then all that fish I bought. That fish is like $7, $8 a pack for about 4 or 5 fillets. And I had went to Walmart, not Walmart, but Aldi's and, yeah, I did go to Walmart and got flounder. I got a bunch of fish because I cooked up fish for Mr. Silverfox. And I had about 6 packs of that fish. Then I had a bunch of chicken. I had beef. I had hamburger patties. Ice cream. And when you add that stuff up, you don't think it would be a lot, but it really is. When you add all that stuff up, replacement, to go right back out, because I had just spent about $80 right before the hurricane. And half of that had to be discarded because most of I got some drinks and juice, that kind of stuff you can keep. But all that other stuff, your fruit, different vegetables, eggs, milk. I had just bought some milk. I had to get gone. And when you add all that stuff up, because a lot of times when you're in the grocery store, am I the only one? You go to the grocery store, you say, okay, all I need is some tissue, some paper towel, and some juice. Shoot. That might be $10 there. Shoot. You go and you check out and you got $60, $70 worth of stuff, and you look and you might not have but about 5 bags. And you be like, dog, all this cost, and you figure you have an accumulation and you have to discard everything all at once, even if it's meat that you bought 3-4 months ago and you freeze it. Still, that stuff adds up when you have to discard all of it at one time and have to go ahead on and rebuy all that stuff. And you think about all the stuff that you just buy because you have to have it, and it's about $6 to $7. Now you got to discard it because it done gone bad. But anyway, y'all, let me go sign back on so I can knock these other 4 hours out. Check on my team, see how they doing, handling business every day. But anyway, y'all, thank y'all so much again for your prayers. Keep us lifted. Hopefully, I'll get my power soon. If not, God is still good and He's on the throne. Anyway, thanks for stopping on the flavor train, because what? Flavor is where it's at. Bye, y'all, and be at peace.